Hi, so we are Team Rocket, and this is PSA10, and this is an app for collectors to upload their physical collections somewhere digitally and showcase and show them off, and also trade them to each other. This is our landing page, showing off different collectors, just kind of advertising what the site is about. So let's sign up. All right, and we've got some password verification here, so it lets you know if your password is the correct length. And here is our welcome page where it lets you know all about how to use the website. So this lets you know that you got to go over to your collections and make a first collection. But instead of starting fresh, let's log out and set up go to an account that's already set up. All right, so here is your overview page where you'll see an overview of your showcases. This is where you show off all of your favorite cards and show off just your favorite collectibles. All right, our cover image is duplicating a little bit. Let's change that. Awesome. Now let's head on over to the collections page.
So if you come to the collections page, you will see a add a collection button right here. Let's create a new collection. Okay. Let's go back to another collection that I've already created. And we have a like function. If you click on the heart, that means you've already liked this collection. And you can also add a new collectible. Submit. The card will be added to your collection at the very end right here. We can also edit this collectible. So scrolling down, you will see a comment section. So let's leave a comment. Say, I love your collection. Send. Okay, and if you don't like what you said, you can also edit your comment. Click on edit comments, and if you don't like your comments at all, you want to get rid of it, you can click on the trash icon right there, and it'll have a pop-up that says, are you sure you want to delete this? And let's click on delete, and that will remove it.
So showcases are a little different from collections. This is where you're going to show off your cards or your collectibles that you're most proud of. And you can also set your primary showcase. So right now the EV is set to primary, but now we're changing it to the Selling Bees showcase. And once that happens, it's going to pop up first in line on your profile overview, so that when people first go to your profile, they'll be able to see your most favorite collectibles first. So if we go back to the showcases page, you'll see a button where you can create a new showcase. We can go ahead and do that. And then once we create a new showcase, then we're going to be able to start adding collectibles to our showcase. So here we have a menu of every single collectible that we have on our account. So you can see that you can mix and match. If you have a different collectible in your collection, that doesn't mean that you can't have crossovers of things from multiple collections in one showcase that you want to show off the most. Now we can update it. At the top of the menu, there's an upload button. This is another way that you can add cards to your collections. So we have a drop down here where we can choose from our existing collections. Gotta catch them all, that sounds great. So now we can start adding collectibles. Here we do the same thing where we would add cards from the collection page. Now we're doing it instead from the upload. So we got to upload our images, we've got to submit, and then once we do that, here's our collections. We can view the Gotta Catch 'Em All collection, and there's our new card.
So here you can search for collectibles by set. And all of those cards with the set Pokemon will show up. Speaking of search, let's check out the search bar at the top of the nav bar. Let's type in Eevee. Hit enter. Look at that, we have an Eevee card. So that makes it very easy to search through all of your cards if you know the name of the collectible that you're looking for.
So this is the community page. It pretty much shows you the different users that we that actually created a profile. You can either click the view profile, or you can, at the top, there's a search bar where you can actually search from users from there. From here, you can actually click the view profile. And then from there, you can be able to see what the other user actually has on display, like the different cards. They're showcasing out the different sets that they're wanting to trade or sell.
So the message board, that's going to be a place where you can post topics for people to discuss. You can go ahead and search by topics up there. All right, awesome. And then we'll go ahead and click on that. So you can just comment on the post. And then edit that comment as well. Awesome. And then if we go back to the message board, let's post a new topic so we can see those add and edit features as well.
So here are some of the most frequently asked questions we've been getting from users is how do you start adding your collectibles? What's the difference between collections, showcases, and sets? And how do you trade or purchase from others? So we've got the signifiers to let you know whether something is available for trade or not. And then the social media sites are how you can actually contact each other and set up these trades.